So a lot of authors make the mistake of not doing an audiobook version of their book when it comes out, right? It's a very, very, very common problem. Even traditionally published books, they'll often lead with the paperback and the ebook version, then maybe come out with an audiobook version later. But they do so at their peril. Why? Well, more people than ever are listening to audiobooks. Think about it. People are super busy, right? But everybody has time while they're doing chores, while they're commuting to work, whether they're driving or riding the subway, etc., right? And they can listen to books when maybe they couldn't read them, right? Audiobooks are at an all-time high, and that industry is only going to continue to grow. So you want to make sure that the book that you have worked so hard to write and now to promote is available in every format that people prefer. You don't want to do all the hard work of getting on a podcast or running a marketing campaign on social media or email and getting people to go to your Amazon page only to find that the book is not available in audiobook, and they decide, oh, I only listen to books, I don't read books, so I'm not going to buy it, right? So I highly recommend that if you're going to self-publish your book, you take the time to do an audiobook. And the good news is it's never been easier to either find a narrator to do it for you or to do it yourself. You can learn more about that in our course. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips and insights for publishing and promoting your book, subscribe to my YouTube channel here.